Okay, here given a dialogue between teacher and Kavita. Here, teacher said to Kavita and Kavita said to teacher. How to make a paragraph? Suppose if given complete with the help of these dialogues, write and paragraph. अगर सपोज कर लो ये भी दे सकता है कि जो आपका डायलॉग दिया इससे जो है एक पैराग्राफ के रूप में शो करो, या सपोज गिवन दैट चेंज डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस हियर गिवन टीचर डोंट लूज योर हार्ट. हियर गिवन अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. यस, sorry, here given full stop. Okay, so here given full stop means first sentence as the imperative sentence or first dialogue as a imperative sentence. So teacher, if you write advise है और forbid भी यूज कर सकते हैं. forbid, teacher forbid Kavita to lose heart. Okay, are you right if teacher advised not to lose heart? Clear है? In both way you write some from the forbid or advised. Clear है? Next year given Kavita, he replied that I said have to give up studying. Means Kavita replied or accepted or Kavita told teacher. Here which sentence?
Future perfect tense.
Not tense. Sentence. Here assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. So we write here that conjunction that I change according to Kavita. So she past tense. We change it to would. She would have to give up study. Then the teacher advised here to since here come. You can apply for a scholarship. Told or advised. Again यहाँ पे ये जो है सलाह भी हो सकता है. You can apply for a scholarship. यहाँ पे टीचर्स के द्वारा क्या किया जा रहा है? कहा नहीं जा रहा बल्कि एडवाइस दिया जा रहा है. ओके, सो then the teacher advised टू नहीं यूज होगा, यहाँ पे जो है दैट का ही यूज करेंगे. क्लियर है? बिकॉज दिस सेंटेंस इज assertive sentence. So you write here advise or told. If MCQ multiple choice given not given advice that time told you search for, आप क्या करेंगे उसमें जो देखेंगे told कोई ऑप्शन दिया है कि नहीं. क्लियर है? So advise or told that became Kavita that you change according to Kavita means teacher said to Kavita. So Kavita is the object and teacher is subject. So you change according to Kavita means she can change into would apply for a scholar. C. Kavita ask. Start with helping verb.
Yes, sir.
So you write here
Ask.
ask if you change according to the teacher. He could please
सर रजिस्टर्ड ना हुआ है यहाँ पे.
no interrogation mark given and helping verb used before the subject. Please only requested in the question sense.
प्लीज हट जाएगा कि रहेगा.
Remove these words. Anywhere, sir, madam, kindly, or such types of words given. You always remove them. Those are in assertive sentence, or interrogative, or imperative sentence. Okay? So you remove please words. And if he could arrange for a job, arrange for a job for now here we change according to subject Kavita here. So third person possessive case, sorry, objective case. Her again teacher reply in affirmation or accepted her request. Clear? Then the teacher replied in the ये एक्स्ट्रा है अफर्मेशन. जब भी हम रिप्लाई देते हैं अफर्मेशन यस में तो दैट टाइम्स वी एक्सेप्ट इन अफर्मेशन एंड इफ वी रिप्लाई इन नो दैट टाइम्स वी यूज negation on the place of affirmation. Okay? Yes, I can. I can means I can arrange for a job for you. Total हम लेंगे. So replied in the affirmation that I change according to teacher means he could not only could you remove the vi पे नहीं छोड़ देंगे. He could total sentence कहाँ से कंप्लीट होगा? I can arrange for a job for so he could arrange for a job for her. Clear है? But continue your studies. Continue her studies. Are you change? How to change here again? पुनः ऐसे कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे? I could arrange for a job for her and he told that but you continue your study means किंतु तुम्हें अपनी स्टडी जो है जारी रखनी होगी. क्लियर है? Such types of sentence or paragraph you write by yourself if dialogues are given. Where you questions ask, कहाँ से questions पूछ सकते हैं? Such types of questions you ask. Suppose here, forbid, give the MCQ as forbid, advised or other say. Okay. Another, where the change, जहाँ changeables हैं. Such types of dialogues you ask to MCQ. Where the changeable as reporting verb, there be MCQ given. On the place of comma and double inverted comma, there will be asked MCQ questions are given option. Where tense change, there will give an option or pronouns change or nearest word and farthest word. जहां जहां जो है आपको चेंजेबल्स के रूल्स हैं वहीं वहीं जो है आपको जो है एमसीक्यूज मिलेंगे. क्लियर है? Another diagram also represent before you after that. इसके बाद जो है मैं जो है और दूसरा भी जो है ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ. Yes. Every diagram is given and some hints are also given there. There MCQ given from this what have to fill up are you completed by yourself. If option not given, that times you completed by yourself. Okay. So now here in the first sentence given Ravi asked Deepa, here dialogues between two Ravi and Deepa. So Ravi here are you going to Varanasi as part of the exchange program? There will be no problems here because in the first dialogue the sentence given in interrogative sentence. So you write here Ravi asked also given Deepa. If we start with helping verb, that times we use if or whether, not that. MCQ given that times given that or if or whether or other interrogative words are advised or other words given. But one MCQ is true. So here if or whether. If you means Deepa here. So see. Now tense we change. Was going to Varanasi as part of the exchange program. Okay, she was going to Varanasi as part of the exchange program. Here we write program. Next, Deepa confirm means yes. Replied in the affirmation or confirm. Confirm कर दी. या तो complete लिखना है तो Deepa replied in the affirmation that I means I was going to Varanasi as part of the exchange program. Total यहाँ से लेंगे completed dialogue. So confirmed that he, not he, but here you write she. Okay, she was going to Varanasi as part of the exchange program. Again, she asked a question and together. So you write here and ask if you change according to Ravi. Now object is Ravi. So he was also going. He was also one you going. As complete dialogues are also going to Varanasi. Clear? Then again Ravi. So Ravi are you right? He. Okay. I do not know. So Ravi replied that or told that I means Ravi. He did not participate. He did not know whether my parents whether my change into possessive case, third person masculine gender singular number. His parents would allow me change according to Ravi. Objective case, third person masculine gender objective case singular number, him. Then Deepa tell them, then Deepa means she. Tell them that, तो सजेस्ट कर रही है या एडवाइज्ड. So she suggested or advised him means Ravi to tell them that it was a rare chance. It was a rare chance. That dialogue is completed. Any doubts here? If any doubts here, if you read the dialogues and after that you read the paragraph, those are completed. And if any problems, you ask me here. Okay.